Okay, this is the zhod Dart XL kit, which I have glued together. So basically this kit comes with no assembly. It comes unassembled and you have to glue every part, these bits and pieces together yourself, even these fins and everything. But it comes as a complete kit. There is nothing missing. It's extremely comprehensive kit. You only, after gluing together, you only have to install your own electronics, that's all. And at the moment it's going for between 80 to $84 Australian from Banggood, which is really good price for Dart XL, which is like a premium quality FPV plan. Previously I've used well, I'm still using my other Dart XL, which I purchased about, I think, $250 assembled 2 years ago, which I'm still using, and that's an excellent plan. So anyone who is looking to get the Dart XL, this is a great opportunity to acquire one with a great price. All right. So I'm gonna keep this kit until I get all the electronics, and then I will install it. Thank you.